Rush hour for a Victoria station, evening time. The people are finishing the jobs from here to the houses, like 100 and 150 kilometers. And the people are hurried to go back to the houses, finishing the jobs. And they are my friends. They are together. They are from Greece. They are all together. 12 people. They are like to visit the Gateway of India, Victoria Station.
¿Y qué fue? Visité nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle. ¿Y qué fue? Visité nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle.
Sightseeing. Now Victoria. Now after that, another one. Yeah, is there. Or you want to see more here in Victoria Station?
Do you have to see something else?
Same like this. Okay, same like this. This is for local. If you go inside, there is like 18 platforms are there. Start from 1 to 18. And lots of trains are going from here to the long runs like another states. So it will run like 24 hours and 36 hours also, 40 hours. For one place to like 5-6 states they cross. Yeah.
Παζάρι τώρα. Αυτή τη μήνυ, παζάρι. Και είπαμε να πάμε στα Λόντρια προλάβαμε. Όχι, ελέφαντες που είπες. Ελέφαντες δεν είναι, είναι νησί ελέφαντες.
Ώρα.
Είναι μια ώρα καραβάκι.
Should we go to how it's called Crawford
Market. I will take you to the Crawford Market.
Πάμε Crawford Market.
Μήπως να πάμε στα Λόντρι που είναι πρωί και να πάμε στο Market βράδυ.
Laundry you will not get to see now. In the morning it will work.
In the morning.
Yeah, laundry people they work in the morning.
Tomorrow. Λόντρι.
Gandhi House is also tomorrow. It will finish 5 o'clock, 5:30.
Tomorrow it's okay.
Tomorrow okay.
Έχουμε κάτι άλλο που βάλει για αυτή τη μέρα. Just a moment.
No problem.
Άρα πάμε τώρα παζάρι. Όχι, τα Λόντρι τέλος, αύριο το πρωί.